Hello everyone. Today we will read chapter 1 in poetry of our first book, First Flight. And the name of the poem is Dust of Snow, written by Robert Frost. Robert Frost was born in San Francisco, America in 1874 and he died in 1963. In this chapter, we will read introduction, summary, explanation, word meanings, figures of speech used in this poem, rhyme scheme, everything we'll read in detail. So let's start with introduction. What does the poem convey? Dust of Snow by Robert Frost is a brief poem, but it conveys the poet's message coherently. I mean orderly, logically, very nicely. The poem shows how human judgment on certain issues can be misleading. The poet depicts the crow and the hemlock tree. It's a poisonous tree having white flower. Crow and the hemlock tree as reasons for his changed mood and increased optimism. This is the introduction of the chapter of the poem. Now let's come to the summary. Dust of Snow is a beautiful short poem written by Robert Frost. This poem tells that even a simple moment has a large impact and significance. The poet has mentioned crow and hemlock tree in this poem. Crow signifies depressive and sorrowful mood, and hemlock tree is a poisonous tree. Both of these signify the poet was not in a good mood. So he describes the dark, depressive, and bitter side of nature to present his similar mood. In such a sad, depressive mood, the poet was sitting under a hemlock tree. A crow sitting on the same tree shook off the dust of snow. Dust of snow means a small particles of snow that remains on the surface after the snowfall. On the poet. The simple action changed the poet's mood. He realized that he had just wasted a part of his day repenting and being lost in sorrow. But the change in his mood made him realize that he should utilize the rest of the day in some useful activity. His sorrow was washed away by the light shower of snow dust. His spirit was revived and he got ready to utilize the rest of the day constructively. Now we'll read the explanation of the poem. Now it's a very short poem of 8 lines, octet, it's an octet. So let me read the poem for you. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. Word meaning I have cleared. Hemlock tree is a poisonous tree with a small white flowers. Shake, shook, and it is V2 of shake, and shake means to move. Has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. It's a good word. Rued means held in regret or sorrow. Now let me explain this short poem. The poet is upset and sitting under the hemlock tree. Suddenly, a crow sitting on the tree shakes the particle of snow from the tree which fall on the poet. The soft and cold touch of snow changes the poet's mood from sad to happy. He starts feeling soothed and refreshed. In this way, a simple moment proves to be very significant and saves the rest of the day of the poet from being wasted and held in regret. Now, figures of speech used in this poem, poetic devices. At first, let's discuss about rhyme scheme. In this poem, rhyme scheme is AB AB CD CD. It means crow matches to snow and me matches to tree. Again, heart matches to part and mood matches to rude. That's why here AB AB CD CD. Now here figures of speech used are alliteration, symbolism and irony. What is alliteration? Has given my heart. Here we see that same consonant letter is repeated in the same sentence, that's why it is alliteration. Again in the next sentence, and saved some part is alliteration here. Symbolism, it means here hemlock tree and crow, these both have been taken as symbolism and example. Now what is irony here? A bit of irony here that the poet refers to the poisonous tree, that is hemlock tree, for good purpose. I hope you have understood the explanation, summary, introduction, word meaning, rhyme scheme, poetic devices used in this poem. We will discuss our next poem in our next video. Thank you.